James is 12 years old and has severe cerebral palsy due to negligence by the hospital when he was born.
He was placed on my chest but then taken to a resuscitator, and then 35 minutes later we were told that he died.
She said, I've got some good news and bad news. I thought, what's she on about? And the next minute she just said, well, I'd got this related to asbestos. And have you ever thought of anybody hitting the wall? It looks like I just drove into the wall.
Millie needed to come out of Mum's tum very quickly because she wasn't getting the oxygen she required, and there were delays in getting Millie out. Minutes at that time of a young person's life, as I found out, are absolutely critical.
I'm married with a 4-year-old daughter who's nearly 5. My life before the accident was really good. I had a great home life. Me and my wife was getting on great.
Bought a motorbike to get a new job. I started my job and that was it really, first day. And this accident happened. These operations and this accident has just totally destroyed me.
And then the doctor sort of told us that it was breast cancer. The cancer had spread quite aggressively. She'd had to have her left breast removed more or less within sort of 10 days, I think it was. No amount of money will ever bring your loved ones back, you know, and nor should it ever be about money. It's nothing to do with money. You know, if the doctor in question had said sorry to us professionally, we would have taken this action.
She went through everything slowly and no jargon, just plain, simple talk that we could understand.
So that's why when we met her relationship between us helped us, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Excuse me.
I found Access Legal and Sarah Harper especially to be invaluable. Without Sarah, we wouldn't have got the answers as to how and why Louis died. We would have had no one fighting our corner, and Sarah was there the whole way, and I will never ever be able to thank her enough. She's been our rock throughout the process, and I will be ever indebted to her.
I have really gone from the depths of despair, but as the legal case has progressed, I can now see light at the end of the tunnel, and the amount of support that Denise has been able to give us on a personal and a practical level, that has made such a huge difference to our lives.
Access Legal was absolutely brilliant. From the first time that I had contact with Shireen to the end, you couldn't fault it.
The advantage of coming to Denise is the fact that she treats us like human beings. She understands exactly what we're going through.
Thank goodness for someone like Sarah. We're grateful, aren't we?
Yeah, very grateful.
I would say Access Legal have been absolutely top dollar. The service has been second to none. And Andrea, you know, she's an angel.
Access Legal has really given me the best people for the operations, and Access Legal was very good. I recommend them to anyone.